How to hide Instagram following followers list. Privacy settings. You can hide your Instagram followers and following lists. The method involves turning your profile to private mode. How to hide lists. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines button, go to Settings, Privacy, and then Account Privacy. Toggle Private Account to On to hide lists. Confirm the change. Effective private account. Lists are hidden from the general public. Only approved followers/friends can see your details. Others can only see post count and follower/following numbers. Benefits of private account. Increased privacy. Direct control over who sees your posts and content. Compatibility. Applies to both Instagram for iPhone and Instagram for Android. Blocking for specific users. An alternative to hiding lists without making the profile private. Blocking a user prevents them from seeing anything about you on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.